the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. So we had a nice bounce, obviously, for everybody that's looking at it and glued to their phones, and they're just waiting to see if we're millionaires yet. We are almost there. I mean, not almost there, but we have long ways to go. But again, keep in mind, I do think that it's definitely going to go past the previous all-time high. We're not even listed on major exchanges like Coinbase and BINANCE yet. So with enough trading volume and with enough exposure and constant building like the devs have been doing, I do think that we are going to hopefully get listed on Binance and or Coinbase soon. Hopefully. Again, I don't know, but that's my hopes. And it is nice to see that, on the Etherscan, on a public domain, you can kind of see that Binance Peg Wallet is holding a little bit over 12 trillion coins valued at $3.6 million. So that's also nice. I do like looking at that. I do like seeing that. Again, keep in mind that they did burn 1 trillion tokens, and you can also see this. This is all public knowledge. So if you really want to research it and look into it, you can actually look at the 69th wallet valued at 1 trillion coins. At 1 trillion coins valued at around $300,000. And if you click into it, you can kind of see when the transactions took place, right? So you can see that there was 1 trillion 11 days ago, 12 days ago, there was that much. And then I think they were just testing it out and so on. So it's very interesting to see that there were coins being burnt. That's always a good sign. That means that those coins can no longer be sold and they're completely taken out of the total supply and the total distribution that Dogelon Mars has. So again, that's very good and that's very bullish. Keep in mind that also on March 14th, we did break 150,000 holders, and now we're sitting at 150,000, almost 500. So we've already gained 500 holders in the last 12 days. So that's huge. Exchanges like seeing that. Like, this is just all bullish news coming out for Dogelon Mars. Not to mention that they are working on their website. So it's really exciting to see what they're going to come out with, because I know that back in 2000, when did I look at it? I got wrecked here, but it's okay. 2021, 2022, when I was looking at Dogelon Mars, and when I actually invested here, where 1 billion tokens was like 5K. Wait, was it 5K? No, it was I think it was. Was it? No, it wasn't 5K. 1 billion tokens was $1,000. That's what it was. So I think I just bought 5 billion tokens. But anyway, back in this area, this website hasn't really changed. So it's nice to see that they are going to come out with a new website. Also, I wouldn't doubt that they have more information on Rufus Chain when they do come out with that. So again, more bullish news, right? So let's get right into the technical analysis aspect of it. I don't think that, obviously the targets still haven't changed, but it's okay. I do like to always show the RSI, the stock RSI, and the graph. So we are hanging around neutral in terms of the RSI. The stock RSI is curling up, obviously reflecting positively on the price, because it could theoretically stay down here, and that would mean that it's bearish and the price would be making lower lows. Keep that in mind. So again, I do like to see the RSI down here, because that means that the next time we go up, that means that the RSI being oversold, overbought. Next time being up, we are probably going to be at the 618 or the 5. So keep that in mind. And we are making higher highs. Same thing works on the other way down, where we're oversold. And when we're in a bear market, the price reflects negatively. And theoretically, these are areas where I always think that it's good to buy, especially with the price being oversold. It's a good buying opportunity. Because eventually you are going to catch the bottom. And when you do catch the bottom, this move right here was like a 5x. So theoretically, that's why you shouldn't really, not financial advice, but I would advise against, not going all in and doing what I did when I first got into crypto and I got absolutely wrecked, where I just threw all my money into one coin and it went down and I basically lost like more than 50% of it. And it was just a horrible feeling. So now I use these indicators, and again, when I decide to buy or when I want to buy, because I haven't bought since here, when I want to buy, I wouldn't necessarily buy it here because it's overbought. And of course, you're going to sit through a correction. And personally, I don't like to sit through that correction. So just FYI. Anyway, I hope you take something out of that, because again, that's my experiences, and as long as one of you guys can relate and understand what I'm saying, which is basically be smart with your money, and don't ape in and all that stuff, and just be smart, be patient and all that stuff, then theoretically that's a good thing. Anyway, you want to take your fit from the high to the low, and I'm still going to use this as the low, and as you can see, we got rejected through 382. So we need the next target up is we need to get over 33.91. So very simple. When we get over 33.91, the next target up is going to be the 5 at 50.21. Okay, as you can see, these are all resistance areas that were most likely we're going to come up, and then we're going to sell off, because that's just resistance, and there's going to be sell-offs especially when you go 200 to 300% from the lows, right? So the next target up is 33.91, and then what we need to hold, which actually it's funny, I put my buy order in, but it never hit. Was 19 or 2, but oh well. It needs to hold 23.49, which, as you can see, it's perfectly bounced on it, and now we're at 29. So as long as we stay over 23.49, which we have a long ways to go, I don't think this is going to come back down, because I think that if this does come back down, then the RSI is going to be extremely oversold. So I do think that we are going to make that higher high and go to either the 618 or the 5, making a higher high, right? So that's just my opinion. That's just what I think, but I'm giving you all the targets, right? So on the downside, 23.49 needs to hold. On the upside, we need to get over 33, and then 5, and then the 7 is next. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. So please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks so much for the Dogelon Morris Discord. I just went into I just actually joined their Discord today, and all super nice, super helpful. I'm so glad I am invested in this coin, because the community is really good. The community is great, very nice, very friendly, and I wouldn't want it any other way, obviously. So please like, subscribe, comment, check out their Discord, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully, like I was making videos here, and I was like, hey, we might not be in the 1s for much longer. I'm going to say now, we might not be in the 2s much longer, because when it does break the 33, we're going to probably go to the 5, right? So we're no longer going to be in the 2s, because even if it does hit the 5, so if it does hit the 5, then if we get some sort of sell-off, we're probably going to come back down and touch the 382, right? So we hit here, we have a sell-off, and maybe we won't even go back down to 34. Maybe we'll stay above 4 at that point. So anything's possible. Those are just like rough estimates. Obviously, I can't get it perfect. If I could, then I would be a billionaire, right? But anyway, please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.